Hey everyone, this is Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today I want to talk to you about how I use my Cricut Explore Air 2 to fussy cut images. First of all, if your image is a PDF file, you'll need to extract the Jpeg files from it. You can do this by using Acrobat Pro and choosing File, Export to, Image, Jpeg, or by using a website that extracts JPEGs from a PDF. I will link to one of those below. Once you have your JPEGs, open Design Space and choose New Project. Choose Upload and then upload an image. Drag and drop your first JPEG file into the screen. Select the complexity of your image. I usually choose Complex. Next, click on the white background of your image to erase it. This will leave only the parts of the image that you want to cut. Use the magnifying glass in the top corner to zoom out. Erase any additional white space you don't want. Save as a Print Then Cut image. Then choose the image you created and insert it. Drag the image up to the top left corner. Locate the height and width at the top and choose a size. I usually choose 8 inches high and a little less than 6.5 inches wide. Then choose Make It. You can see how to align the image on your mat. Choose Continue. Print your image. I like to use cardstock, so I set my material for that. Place your printed sheet on the top left corner of your mat. Load it into the Cricut machine and press the blinking arrow button and then the C-shaped Cricut button. When you're finished cutting, press the blinking button again and unload your mat. And that's how I make my fussy cut images on my Cricut. Thanks, guys.